On behalf of the Fijian government, I take this opportunity, Your Excellency, to express our deepest and most grateful appreciation to the United States government and the U.S. Navy for recognizing the need to raise the level of our disaster response efforts by kindly donating these humanitarian assistance tools and equipment to the government of Fiji. On Saturday, February 20th, 2016, as you all know, TC Winston, an extremely destructive Category 5 cyclone, struck Fiji. As we all know, it was the first Category 5 cyclone to directly impact Fiji and decimated the livelihoods of Fijians residing in the northern, central, eastern, and western parts of Fiji. The impact of this devastating cyclone affected 540,414 people, which is equivalent to 62% of the country's total population and causing 44 fatalities. Communities were destroyed in parts of the country that were hit the hardest, leading to approximately 40,000 people needing assistance immediately after the cyclone. 30,369 houses, 495 schools, and 85 health clinics and medical facilities were damaged or destroyed. The assistance presented to us today will certainly make a difference to the lives of the men, women, and children as survivors, but determined to fully recover from this natural disaster through the support network of both government and non-government organizations. Debris created in a disaster poses significant challenges to relief and recovery operations, and as a result hinder plans for a rapid return to normalcy. One of the lessons learned from the post-tropical cyclone Winston, and of course the most recent tropical depression 04 Foxtrot, was the urgent need to mobilize clearing and cleaning tools. The storage of these tools at the Divisional Commissioner's Office warrants consistent and proper recording of inventories and storage, thus renders it possible for active agencies such as the Republic of Fiji military forces to assess them quickly when needed come post-disasters. To foster a climate of resilience through building back better, a partnership approach with donor agencies, between governments and humanitarian partners is crucial. Excellency, your tremendous assistance in providing these tools honors the commitment you had started years back. Ladies and gentlemen, in February of 2016, the Commander of the Republic of Fiji military forces again raised with the U.S. Defense Attaché the need for additional power tools and building equipment that could improve the response efforts in the wake of severe weather events like Tropical Cyclone Winston. Through coordination with the U.S. Defense Attaché at the U.S. Fiji Embassy and the U.S. Pacific Command, the Navy Sea Base of 30th Naval Construction Regiment was able to deliver in November 2016 approximately Fiji worth 227,000 worth of humanitarian assistance tools and equipment and refurbished school facilities in Navala Village Ra that were damaged by Cyclone Winston. The U.S. government has also completed several climate change infrastructure projects in the region and has provided over 6 million Fiji dollars through grants to the Red Cross, UNICEF, the World Food Program, and other UN agencies to help the Fijian people recover from Cyclone Winston. Through USAID, the United States government commits to build the resilience of vulnerable coastal communities in the Pacific Island region to the impacts of climate change. These include rehabilitating and constructing new, small-scale community infrastructure and building capacity for community engagement in disaster prevention and preparedness. Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Fiji are forever grateful for the kind gesture from the U.S. government and its people, which will indeed assist our own as well as response teams to restore normalcy faster in times of disasters. Disasters are the norm now. It's the new norm. And gone are the days that we can say that this is just a one-off event that will not recur for a number of years. We need to take necessary measures and plan accordingly. I therefore again thank Her Excellency the Ambassador and the U.S. government for the generous donation this morning, and look forward to continue this generous and meaningful partnership between Fiji and the United States government into the future. Thank you. Nakabaliw and Danyabad.
Go ahead.